Once you make your first $10,000, making money becomes so much easier because now you've got capital, now you can invest more, now you can run more ads, etc. And you don't have to rely on some algorithm deciding whether or not your content is worth pushing. Ads are a very, very different game. You pay, you get results. It's that simple. Whereas with content, you post a piece of content, you don't know if it's gonna do well. You might get 10 fucking views for all that time and effort. Leverage is the superpower of rich people, and money gives you leverage. The more money you make, the easier it is to make more money, not because there's some evil force in the universe that hates poor people. No, it's just the compound effect. And there's a trap that the middle class always falls for. They try to invest the little money they have into things like the stock market or real estate in hopes they'll finally be rich and they can retire with $1 million or more in the bank. And that works, yes, but it takes fucking forever. And right now you don't have enough money if you make 40, 50, even if you make $100,000 a year. I mean, that's like the starting point, really. But if you make less than that, you don't have enough money for your investments to actually be meaningful. Because if you save up $300 a month, which is a lot, most people don't do that. You save up $300 a month to invest them in the stock market. You're not going to see a difference in your quality of life until decades from now. It's better to do it than to not do it, obviously. But if instead you took that $300 a month, invested it in yourself, in books, in courses, mentorships, etc., to start a business, you can have a business make you $100,000 a month. Like seriously. So before you worry about how to invest my money so my money works for me, first invest in yourself and start a business. The first step is always to make more money. And a job caps you really quickly, even high-paying ones. A business has no cap, it's unlimited. So make sure you've got the priorities in the right order. And if you do that, you will be pretty fucking wealthy. You just have to do it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.